folks, there goes the tornado sirens. It's about 1:06. We got a pretty good storm coming in. I'll try to get some more video. I gotta get safe first. Gotta find shelter later.
So we have had reports of a National Weather Service employee has reported a funnel cloud just to the west of Topeka in Shawnee County near the Auburn area. If you live in this path of this storm, it is moving off to the east at 25 miles per hour. Go ahead and put a storm track on that as it's moving off to the east at around 25 to 30 miles per hour.
Visibility.
I'm right here.
Some heavy rain. I also ran into some sizable hail to about.
This could be my rapture, folks. Later.
Definitely.
Oh man, it's busting my redneck Christmas lights, man. Can you believe that? Alright, man, it's here. But I think the tornado's heading more to the west of me. There goes the sirens again. A little spooky. I don't have a basement. I go across the street to my mom's. I don't know if you can see the hail. Some angry skies, some angry skies. Golf ball size. I got one in the freezer. It's breaking all my Christmas lights, man. I was gonna take them down this weekend. Oh, there went another one. I don't know if you can hear them pops. Wow. Total and utter chaos. It's like softball size. This thing is not playing. Jiminy Christmas. Woo! I don't know if you can hear how loud this is, but it sounds like a war zone out here. Dang, the sirens again. Man. Man, it's like they're being shot out of a gun.